Asking about distance, mastering the "is it far?" question in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will be focusing on a crucial part of conversational English, specifically when we're asking about distance. Our star phrase for today is it far? This is a simple, yet powerful question that can help you in various situations. So, let's dive right into it. Is it far? Is a question often used when you want to find out the distance to a particular place or location. This question can help you decide whether you should walk, take a taxi, or use public transportation. The beauty of "is it far?" is that it's straightforward and easy to understand, making it a crucial phrase in your English conversational toolkit. Now that we understand what "is it far?" means, let's look at how to use it in context. Imagine you've just arrived in a new city and you're trying to find your way to the hotel, museum, park, or any other location. You could approach a local and ask, "Excuse me, is the museum far from here?" The response will give you a sense of the distance. Remember, the answer might be subjective, as what's considered far for one person may not be the same for another. It could be a good idea to follow up with a clarifying question like, "Can I walk there?" or "How long does it take to get there?" Knowing how to respond to the question, "Is it far?" is just as important as knowing how to ask it. Here are a few common responses. 1. No, it's not far. It's just around the corner. 2. Yes, it's quite far. You might want to take a bus or a taxi. 3. It's not too far. It's about a 15-minute walk from here. Keep in mind that being as specific as possible will be most helpful to the person asking. There you have it. Now you're well equipped to use the phrase, "Is it far?" in a conversation. Remember, it's a simple but powerful question to gauge distance. But also, don't forget to follow up with additional questions to clarify the exact distance or travel time. Happy learning, and we hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.